YouTube, hey, it's your man Swamper once again. We out here again doing something different today. It is raining outside, as you can see, but I had a cricket container built for myself because I knew I'm going to use a little bit more crickets this year coming up in the springtime. So today we're taking on the task of actually staining it, and I'm going to put my logo here. Eventually, my sister Keisha's in the house doing the logo, while Lacey's back here. She's starting the stain preparation. She's done the back already. Say hey, Lace.
Hi.
So we're working on this thing together. After we do our stain, this is what they call a cognac stain. That's the color we're using today, Minwax cognac stain. And then we're coming back with some Minwax polyurethane to make it shine. But of course, we're gonna put we are already taped off our screen so they can breathe. So we're gonna come here and do our stain in here as well to make it look nice. I showed you the inside, all of that. So my logo, my decal is gonna go right here, you all, and we're gonna actually stain over that, then peel the logo off and hopefully shellac it. Hopefully it comes out the way I want it to. It does have a shelf at the bottom and it has casters on it you can lock, so when I want to take out my crickets, I can pull it outside and scoop out my crickets if I want to, because that'll be important so I won't get crickets off in my garage. I did not have a light put in it because it stays so warm in Texas. I didn't think I needed a light. So got another project going today, our cricket container staining project. All right, y'all, so Keisha is trying to apply the graphic on it. We're not going to leave this graphic on here actually, so that's why the color didn't matter, that we're using purple. So what she's doing now is she's getting it to adhere to the wood, and once she finishes getting it to adhere to the wood, we're going to actually stain over it, and once it dries, we're going to pull that off, and hopefully we'll have the background of just the plain wood after we stain over it. So we're going to keep on. She's going to try to get this off of here. That looks real good. I mean, come on, man. You can't do more perfect than that, huh? That's awesome, y'all. Y'all see, we got that logo up here. Then we'll come back and stain over it. Hopefully put it up. And we should have a beautiful wood color logo. All right, y'all see what's going on here with the help of Lacey, the help of Keisha. What has happened so far, y'all, is we've actually got a good coat on the cricket container. If you can notice real closely, you see faintly the Featherston Family Outdoors logo. So the plan is, once this dries, we'll peel this off like painter's tape, and we should have the original finish of this wood behind it, and we're gonna come back and shellac it. So great job, and we want to have a good, we did everything. We stained the entire thing. We didn't leave no surface untouched. The stain sets in for a few hours before we peel this off, and we'll show you that when we come back. All right, YouTube, look, it is now dry to the touch. So what we're gonna try to do is take this logo off here. So really, really good. All right, y'all see it for yourself. Did a good job on that. Did a very good job on that. Now we got one more step to complete this thing. We're gonna actually put clear shellac on top of it to seal it. So we just stained it with a cognac stain. Then we coming back with clear shellac to seal it all, and we should be good to go. Y'all stay tuned. All right, YouTube, we on day 2. As you all can see, everything is dried well. Everything is dry to the touch. There's no problem at all. I gave it a whole day, basically almost 24 hours. I just wanted to make sure everything was good and dry, which it is, so I'm glad about that. So now we're gonna come back with our polyurethane shellac because we want to seal this thing. So we use Minwax products. There's a Minwax polyurethane fast drying. It's a clear protection, easy smooth application. So we're gonna get this on. I told you something wrong earlier. I told you I was using Minwax for stain, but it's not. I look at it now, it's actually Rust-Oleum wood stain, and it's actually cognac. It's supposed to dry in 1 hour, but don't trust that. 24 hours is the best. So y'all just keep that in mind. We're gonna put this thing on high speed so you all don't have to sit here and watch paint dry. But we got it, so y'all stay tuned. All right, you all, here's my finished product. Look, it's done, it's complete. I got my hardware back on it. My tape is removed. This is the size. So as you can see, it's a really, really good size cricket container. So I found out here, when you try to buy crickets in North Texas, the only place you can really buy them from is Petco or whatever. You have to travel about 2 hours or so, maybe 2.5 hours to buy crickets. Just wasn't gonna do that. So I can order crickets online, and I can order like 1,000 crickets for about 20 bucks. So I much rather have my own cricket container, and that's what this is for. So listen, I showed you some things. Hopefully you know that you can do this yourself. That's what this is all about. It's not that we have exclusivity on all this stuff. All we do is show you what we do and maybe give you some ideas, you know, and hopefully you learn something. So listen, this is our cricket container, you all. Hopefully you can do it yourself. You can learn some things, and you don't have to pay all that money. Something that you can save money on. So guess what? And it'll last a lifetime, especially if you keep it indoors. I put casters on mine so I can roll it out when I want to get my crickets. So that's the way it works. So look, this is Feathers and Family Outdoors. Y'all take care of yours.